So hey, welcome back everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you all are good. So this is the video about content delivery network actually. How you receive the data that you request, for the server, and the data you will receive. So, why content delivery network is important actually. In order to, sometimes, in the traditional, architecture, the data is, hosted in the main servers, and and then your request will, goes to the servers via different, routers available in the network actually. But this is, this will lead to a network latency. You will get the response, uh, 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 a slow response. In order to solve this, problem, we have a content delivery network, strategy. Different cloud service providers provide the CDN related services. In AWS, we have like as CloudFront. Then in GCP, different types of cloud network services available. But in this video, we are going to discuss how the CDNs actually works and what are the different services in the different cloud service providers and what are their use cases, what problems it is solving. These kind of things we are going to discuss in this video. So before going to start this session, I would like to highlight one point over here. So if you folks are new in this channel, so please go and hit that subscribe button. So I'll try to make the technical topics more simple, simple to grasp. So this is the a motive behind this videos actually. So without wasting much time, let's get started our session that is related to the content delivery. So let's see how it works. So CDN in cloud computing is distributed networks. No worries. The data like the images, videos, scripts, web pages are hosted or uploaded to your nearest networks, and it's like cached to your networks that into the servers that servers will send back. That servers are responsible to to serve you a data. So this is how content delivery networks work in the cloud actually. Simple idea, instead of websites being served from a central server, CDN store copies of your content in multiple locations, the locations which are near from your site. So this is how CDN works. How CDN works, like if you have a origin servers, then you have edge locations, and then your users. So this is the brief idea behind this. How does CDN works? We have origin servers, we have CDNs, and we have users. So in this diagram, you will see a orange one is a uh, main server, then the CDN servers, then you have the network, your end users actually. So this is how this is the CDN locations. This diagram illustrate working different working with the without CDN or with CDN. Like with CDN, without CDN, your request will goes to the main server, and without CDN, your request will goes to the to the uh, to the to the nearest location. So this is how CDNs is actually. So in layman terminology, a user visit your website, the request goes to CDN. CDN finds the closest edge location. The content is delivered quickly from the servers as the copies of the requested data are already stored in the edge locations. So that's why this will eliminate the latency, and the faster response is possible using the CDNs actually. Coming towards our the key benefits of using CDNs is faster loading speed, reduce latency. Definitely, if you are getting the response in less time, it means reduce latency. High availability means traffic is distributed. The scalability handles certain traffic spikes. Security, protection against DDoS attacks. The attacks that are you know that are that will not affect the main servers actually, as the main servers are pretty far away from the edge locations. Your data is secure there. Whatever the DDoS attacks will taken care, or will happen, that will on the edge locations. And this is how CDNs is actually beneficial. Then again, important point to be considered is over here is reduce server loads. In the main servers, the definitely the traffic is distributed. That's why the locations is the the server load is less. CDN in cloud platforms, major cloud providers offer built-in CDN services. Uh, as we have already discussed, AWS has a CloudFront service for CDN purpose. Microsoft Azure has Azure CDN for their customers, and then Google Cloud or GCP has Cloud CDN for their customers. Actually, so these different kind of services from different cloud service providers available in the market. Actually, let's see one example over here. Website is hosted in US, and someone from India visits. So, without a CDN's request travels to US actually, that that will goes via routers to the servers that is hosted in the US. With CDN, a content served from near India or Asia servers, that will definitely reduce the latency actually. So this is how content serves from a nearby India or Asia servers, that will a faster response. Then definitely types of content delivered. If you want to check what are the contents are being stored in the database or servers, the static like the images, your web pages, your scripts, whatever the content available for users. Dynamic like APIs, live data, uh, and in order to, if you are playing like videos or audio or games or streaming platform, so such kind of data is stored in the CDN networks to reduce the latency actually. So this is how CDNs is actually working. This is how CDNs works. So this was the video about content delivery network. I hope this video was helpful to all the viewers out there. And if you find my videos are helpful, so please go and hit that subscribe button. And I'll try to make the content on make the videos on those topics as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and keep learning. And uh, in the later videos, I'll definitely try to simplify the contents, the topics as much as possible from my end. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Bye.